Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you question number 4 of NCERT chapter 2 decimals and fractions. We have already done question 1 to question 3 of this exercise, and if you have not watched that video then please, I have already given the link of all the videos in the description. So let's start this video. There is a figure in this question, that is we have given 12 circle. If you count 1 2 3 4 and 4 here, 8 and 4 here, 12, we have 12 circles. What is our question? That we have to shade, we have to do a drawing in this question. That is we have to shade one half of the circles. We have to shade one half of the circle, and the total circles are 12. So how many circle we have to shade? That is total circle is 12, and we have to shade 1 upon half of circle. So we will multiply like this. So if 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12, it means 6 circle we have to shade. It means 6 circle we have to shade, and you have to mention this statement. But you can shade any circle. It's not an objection that you have to shade this part or this part. You can shade any circle. You can shade any 6 circle in order to find this question. So our second part, it's very easy question actually. We have to shade 2 upon third of the triangle. Just count the total number of triangles. We have 1 2 3, we have 9 triangles in this question, and we have to shade 2/3 of the triangle. So total we have to shade 2/3 of the total triangle, and total triangles are 9. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. It means we have to shade 6 triangle. I have just written down all the, and you have to mention all this statement. So we have to shade 6 triangle, but there is no objection. You can shade any 6 triangle. And the third part of this question is that we have to shade 3 upon 5th of the squares in the box. First we will count the total number of boxes, that is 3 to 5, 5, 5, 10 and 5. We have 15 boxes in this figure. We have 15 boxes. So total boxes is 15, and we have to shade 3 upon 5th of the square. So first we will solve this, that is 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. It means we have to shade 9 squares in this box. So if you see that we have to shade 9 square, and it's not an objection, you can shade any 9 squares in this question. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.